Hello students, our today's topic is enter text. For entering text, we have to use transaction code SO10 or bypass SAP S accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing, print correspondence, standard letters and enter text. SAP में जाते हैं. SAP S, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, periodic processing, print correspondence, standard letters and enter text. Now enter here text, that is /TRE1/text_body. Now click on create button, click on allow, enter details here, that is dear, dear sir or madam, thanks for your business with us. Have a nice day. Regards, Trans IT Power Tools Private Limited. Control S, click here save button, and now open new session, go to F.61, enter your correspondence, company code, user and execute. So 3 correspondent requests were selected. Would you like to issue? Okay. Output device LP01, continue. Again LP01, continue. LP01, continue. Okay, now go to system, owns pull request and double click on it. ये है हमारा फर्स्ट. Come back. Another one and details, and last one is payment summary. इस तरह से हमारा सारा ये ऐड हो जाएगा. Now open new session and enter BP, press enter our customer, then click on start button, double click on it. Now change your BP role to FLCU00, click on company code, then change button, And now under tab customer correspondence, in correspondence tick select the option monthly account statement and now click on save button.